Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install a DeepSeek R1 locally. First you need to go ahead and install Llama, okay? Visit the Llama website and download the version that matches your operating system and just follow the installation instructions that are provided on this site. And then what you do guys is you come here and download, DeepSeek R1, right? You can run a 1.5B, 7B, 8B, 13B, 32B, 70B, and even, a 671B. And obviously the hardware requirements increase as you choose the bigger parameter. I used a 7B one in my tutorial. So once, Llama is installed, right, open your terminal and type the following command to download the DeepSeek R1 model, all right? So go ahead and select which one you want, and then you run this command. Now this command basically, tells Llama to download the model. Depending on your internet speed, this might take some time, and you can go ahead and do something else while it completes. And after downloading, you just need to verify the installation by running a Llama list, okay? And you should basically see DeepSeek R1 in the list of available models, and if you do, guys, you've done a great job so far. You're ready to actually run the model. And now this is how you start the model using the command llama run DeepSeek -1. And just like that, guys, you are interacting with DeepSeek R1 locally. That's simple. Now here you can go ahead and ask a simple query, for a basic understanding. You can give a sample one right here. For example, what are the 7 wonders of the world and where are they located? And then you'll start thinking, right? And show you the thinking process. You can also see the aspects such as thinking and reasoning of the model. And you can even try it with the different queries, along with code generation. Okay. And here you'll get, a very detailed answer for the above code related query, right? But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions, and I'll see you in the next one.